In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add GIFs on Google Slides. If you've ever wanted your slides to feel more dynamic, a GIF is a quick, lightweight way to add motion without complicated video editing. I'll walk you through the exact steps and share a few practical tips so you know what to expect on different devices and avoid common hiccups. Start by launching Google Slides. You can open the Google Slides app on your phone or tablet, or open Google Slides in your web browser on a computer. Make sure you're signed in to the correct account so you can access the presentation you need. If you're on mobile, give the app a second to load your recent files. On desktop, your presentations will show in your Drive or the Slides homepage. Next, select your presentation. Tap or click the file you want to work on so it opens. If you're presenting to others, it can be helpful to use a copy while you experiment, but you can always undo changes if needed. Once your deck opens, navigate to the specific slide where you want the GIF to appear. Now switch into Edit mode. On mobile, look for the pencil or Edit button to start editing the slide. In a browser, you're usually in Edit mode by default. If not, click the option to edit the presentation. You should see the slide canvas with the standard editing toolbar across the top. Open the Insert menu by tapping the plus icon in the top toolbar. This is your gateway to adding content. From the options that appear, choose Image. This tells Slides you're about to bring in a picture file. When prompted, select From Photos or From Storage/Files, depending on your device. On some phones, From Photos connects to your photo library, while From Storage or Files lets you browse your device or cloud folders. If you keep assets in cloud storage, make sure that app is installed and you're signed in so it appears in the file picker. Find and select your GIF file to add it to the slide. Look for the .gif extension so you know it's an animated image, not a static picture. Once you tap or click it, Slides will place it on your canvas. You can drag to reposition and use the corner handles to resize without squashing the animation. If it doesn't animate in Edit View, don't worry. Most GIFs play normally when you enter Present mode. Keep file sizes reasonable to ensure smooth playback, and remember that Google Slides autosaves, so your changes are preserved as soon as the GIF appears. That's it! Your animated GIF is now part of your slide.